How to recover TikTok streak. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Tap on your profile, then tap on the menu bar, and tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on support. Tap on help center. Then simply search for streak. Then tap on report a problem if you cannot find it over here. And then you will get a form where you have to tell them over here you have to write that I have lost my streak and so help me get back my streak, and simply submit it and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.